Doesn't look like the bikers were involved. Come on, baby. I'm not sure what the hell's going on. It doesn't look like the bikers were involved in any accident. I think they were doing what we were doing, just kind of cruising. And they came up on there. Maybe they were curious and stopped for a second to see what happened. Didn't look like anybody was hurt either. They just got the road blocked off. But there's no damn telling. They could just have the road blocked off with vehicles and there's an accident behind it. Oh God, don't go in the water. Oh my God, that's probably the hardest thing to do on these bikes. Let's see if I can ask him. Was there a wreck or something? Was there a wreck? Okay, I got you. It said something about a fire. I feel like he's riding with his buddy. I don't really want to go past him. But he is riding really slow. Really slow. I guess because of the wheels on his bike. Trickster riders be like, sign as to how my day's gonna be. Got somebody early this morning. Usually they ain't fucking with people going to work. Don't pull out in front of your truck. Oh, it looks like a wreck, man. Yep. Oh, shit. Yeah. Made that happen. Donkey! Fuck, I didn't want to sneeze in my damn helmet. Motherfucker. I think I just got that on video. Oh my god, dude. Did you do that on purpose? You know it's my turn to wheelie this. I think I got that on video.
I hope you did. That was dope.
Bro.
What?
Bro. Don't do that again. Right now.
Why?
Because you scared me. Don't drop my baby.
Huh?
You drop my baby, I'll get your bike.
Alright.
Alright, you can wheelie all you want to then. Let me get some frame sliders before you do that again, man.
What?
Frame sliders.
What's that?
In case you drop the bike, it doesn't damage the engine block.
I'm not gonna drop the bike. I used to wheelie my dirt bike.
Nobody's gonna drop the bike until it gets dropped.
If I can wheelie a dirt bike, I can wheelie a motorcycle. I used to be able to catwalk a bike. I ain't done it in a while.
That's all dudes. Nice bagger, bruh. Nice bagger, bruh.